Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about signing into AOL Mail. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is type in AOL.com up in the address bar of your web browser of choice, and then search for it. Again, AOL.com. And then once you've done that, you should be taken to the AOL homepage here. Select the sign in button up at the top right. And then just go ahead and enter in your username, your email, whatever you're using to sign into AOL. And then you want to either stay signed in, or you could just select next if you don't want to be automatically signed in. And then enter in your password, and then select next. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.